Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am making raw pap that I'll be taking to the UK. So guys, if you have not seen how to make raw pap before and you want to learn, please keep watching this video till the end for you to see the step-by-step process of making raw pap. See guys, I have started the process and I've washed the grains. If you see plenty sand wey dey inside this grain, that is why it is good for you to do your pap by yourself. So I'm doing a second washing right now because I don't want to be drinking pap and encounter sand in the process. Nah, you see how dirty the water is. See, if you know that you used to buy your Akamu outside, you used to buy, I mean, the pap. Akamu is also called pap, right? See, just watch this video, learn it, and start making your pap by yourself because you will take your time to wash it very well. See, I washed it up to like I think 5 times. See how dirty the water is. So I mix three grains together. That is corn, guinea corn, and millet. The red guinea corn precisely. I always prefer the red guinea corn. I like mixing these three grains together because it gives this unique taste. It's very rich in nutrients and it's good for the whole family. You can give it to your 6 months old baby, the adults, the kids, everybody can have it. It's very good. The taste is it's very unique, it's very tasty. So I'm washing it again because I love to give the grains thorough wash to make sure that it is clean and to remove all those stones and sand from the bottoms. So yeah, I'm done. I'm doing another washing again, making sure that the water is pure, like it's clean before I take it to grind. So here I'm washing the buckets that I'll be using to using to grind the grains. When I'm done with everything, I'll take it to the engine. There's a engine that grinds it because it is strong. It's not something that you can use the normal household blender to do. So once I'm done washing them, I'll put them inside a bucket, then I'll take it to grind, guys. Okay, I hope you're enjoying the video so far and I hope you are learning. This my method is very easy, very easy. So guys, here I am back from grinding the grain, and guess what? The okada man wey carry me, he was just doing gbigi, and the thing spilled on me and it also spilled on his back. I don't know why he wasn't careful. I kept telling him slow down now, small, he no hear. Okay. So I say make I wash off the things from my body. I say make I show una my real face so before we continue the main. So this yellow cloth I'm holding, it is for making the pap, to do the main work of separating the shaft from the main content, which is this is how you get the pap out. You understand? So I washed it and I washed the bowl and the bucket that I'll be using. So when it comes to making of raw pap, it's required for you to fill 2 buckets or 2 bowls with water. And yeah, my kids came back from school. The school bus just dropped them, so I went outside the gate to welcome them, and here they are. So as I was saying before the interruption, you have to fill 2 buckets or 2 bowls with water, with clean water, and then take a portion of the grinded pap and put inside, just as you are seeing in the video. Put inside the net, and now put it inside water over and over again to, to remove the main contents, which is the pap. And when you are done, you need to put it in the second bowl of water to make sure that the whole content is out for you not to waste the pap. Hope you understand the process. So just follow closely what I'm doing in the video right now for you to learn the easiest way. This is very easy, and when you are doing it, make sure that the raw one that is inside the pocket, the grinded one, doesn't drop inside the main one that you are doing. So here I am done. And once you are done making the pap, just cover it and allow it for to settle for some hours. And that's what I did. I'm done now, and I transferred it into the white bucket. And after that, I will still allow it to settle for like 24 hours for it to become solid. You need to allow it to settle. So this is the next day. It has settled, and I'm draining the water from it, and it will require a third draining since I am traveling with the pap, and it needs to be drained very well. So that's why I'm using the net again. The net comes to play again. So I'll I'm pouring everything inside the net, and I will drain out the water. It will look as if it is dried. It will almost dry, so that when I drain out the water, I'll refrigerate it until when we are ready to leave. So guys, keep watching for you to learn the step by step process of making raw pap. So here, as you can see, I'm draining the water now. So when I finished, I tied it and used the mortar. And this is just the easiest way for me to drain the water completely. So I put the mortar on top of it. So here it is fully drained, like the mortar pressed out all the water, and it is very solid now. Can you see it? Very, very solid now. So I pick up the ziploc bag that I ordered from China, and then put them inside to package them and ready to be refrigerated. And so guys, this is how to make raw pap. Very, 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 very easy. Please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. Share it with someone who actually needs it. People need to learn how to do this thing by themselves at home. It is hygienic. When you do it yourself, you are able to do it the way you want it. Get the grains of your choice and make it the way you want it. Okay, so I pick up the marker to just to target. This is raw pap. Okay, keep watching guys. Thank you. And I hope you are going to try this my method though. Try it guys. So when I was packaging my own, I decided to do the small one for my neighbor. So this one is for my neighbor. So I just packaged inside a small ziploc bag and kept it for her. So I'm done guys. I'm done packaging the raw pap inside the ziploc bag, ready to be taken to the UK. Oh, yeah, you go. I have 3 bags. I have 3 bags. I have 3 bags. Raw pap here, guys. Ready to be taken abroad. And this one is for my neighbor. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.